Okay, now let's proceed to our second example. Now this example, we're trying to convert 3.6 meter per hour into millimeter per second. This is our conversion, as you can see, hour, second, and meter, millimeter. Let's begin. 3.6 meter per hour, you multiply by sin meter up here, you put meter down here, and then millimeter up here. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. And then you try to eliminate hour, sin hour down here, you put hour up here, and then second down. So 1 hour equivalent to 3600 seconds. Let's do the cross simplify. Meter with meter, and then hour with hour. All have left is millimeter and second, which is what we want, millimeter per second. Let's multiply the numerator together and then the denominator together. So you have 3.6 multiplied by 1000. You will have this as 3600 millimeter, and then you have 1 multiplied by 3600, so you have 3600 second. We need millimeter per second, so we divide the number up here, divide by the number of seconds down here. So when you divide, you will have 1 millimeter per second. So our answer is 1 millimeter per second.